talk about how can you enable Vibrate on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, so just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on general here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to Vibrate, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's me Vibrate enable with us now. That's all you have to do to enable it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.